Hey, what's up guys? Bajheera here. Now to celebrate our official sponsorship with OriginPC, we decided to team up with Corsair as well to offer you guys an awesome gaming bundle giveaway. Now if you'll scroll down on this page, after clicking the link in the description and in the comment section, you guys will have access to a whole bunch of different ways to enter to win a Corsair K95 RGB mechanical keyboard, a Void Pro headset, a Scimitar mouse, an ST100 RGB premium headset stand, and an MM800 RGB Polaris gaming mouse pad as well. So what you can do is scroll down all the way here and see all the different ways that you can enter by interacting with me, OriginPC, and Corsair on social media. And of course, keep in mind the contest does end in about 1 month. So make sure that you guys get your entries in now, tell your friends, and have fun. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy. Hey, what's up guys? Bajheera here. So I've actually had to be very patient about this because as you guys have seen on Twitter and on Twitch and on YouTube, we are officially sponsored by OriginPC, which is amazing because we've worked with OriginPC in the past and now we get to upgrade our relationship to a full sponsorship, which is a huge honor to me and something I'm very grateful for, because the people at OriginPC are not only obviously amazing computer builders, but they're also just really good people that I've really enjoyed hanging out with in the past, and I'm excited to hang out with more in the future. But it also is really important to me that they take care of you guys, and that's the case with all of my sponsors, is that I try to select companies and people that I believe in and that I trust, and OriginPC definitely are the top of the line for that. So if you guys are interested in picking up a PC, obviously OriginPC is my official recommendation for that, not only because of the quality of the computer and the parts that you're going to be getting, but also because of the people that you're going to be working with and that I know that you're going to be taken care of. And as you may be able to tell, they certainly have taken care of me once again. So this is going to be the official unboxing of our brand new Games and Games PC, put together by OriginPC. And I had a lot of fun making unboxing videos in the past when we got our Origin stuff, and I'm very excited to bust this thing open and see what we got. Last, I don't know if you guys remember, we had to use like an old screwdriver and very slowly unpack this awesome OriginPC armored wooden case. But this time we've upgraded not only our PC, but also our firepower in terms of how to get this thing out of there. So I'm gonna go to work on this for a little bit, and we'll check back in with you when we can actually unveil the PC itself. All right, with the top part unscrewed, we can sort of unveil it, but our process is not done yet. This is the kind of thing that you can expect when you order your OriginPC, because they know, like I know, that it's a big investment. This is something that you want to work out of the box perfectly, and they take that seriously, so they're gonna make sure it gets to you nice and safe and sound by putting it in a big old wooden armored case, and I like that too. So when we first open this thing up, we see the beginning of a poster, but also this, which is a really nice little folder that you can look forward to whenever you get yours. It's gonna have all the details behind your PC. So we can take a look at this. We know who it's for. It's a gaming system, but also a professional system, and it's got all the different pieces that we can expect to be able to see in there, including some very nice Corsair gear. Shout out to Corsair for hooking up some parts to this PC. And you can go through all the checklists of everything they went through to make this thing absolutely up to speed, because every Origin PC that you order will be handmade, which is pretty sweet, by people who know what they're doing, which is pretty amazing as well. So we can look at all the stats behind this thing, all the inspections, all the checklist, and we're good to go. And this would be my copy of that, obviously, but this stuff's looking good, and we'll sort of read through this for you as well as list these pieces and parts in the description, or at least in the comments for you as well. All right, let's keep busting it open. All right, well, with the first layer of armor removed at the top and following directions, not just pulling it out of the top, follow the directions, go ahead and take off the front panel. It just drops off just like this. And there you have it.
Ooh.
Taking a look at your PC. Ready to rock. It looks like we've got like this little poster on top of that. It looks like something from Evolve or something, but it's also got like the OriginPC logo on its head. So now we get to slowly unpack this thing, and I believe this is step one. All right, so we knocked the little pull tabs out on both sides, which means we can at last remove this top part and unveil this beauty that's within. So it looks like we probably got another Origin box of goodies. Oh my gosh! We got all kinds of stuff to control the RGB, on there to control the lighting.
Extra cord.
We got a little USB drive as well. We got all kinds of stuff. Put that up here. Of course, the kitties are gonna come help me unpack this thing too. Take off this big old armor pack thing right there as well to make sure it's nice and safe. Sam, what is that thing? Hey.
Let me have it.
On the other side though, maybe I should turn this around for you guys.
Cats as well.
Everybody's very interested. They're like, yay, another Origin! Yay! There we go.
What is it, baby?
That's what we're looking for. This thing on the top. We also got this nice pack of stuff as well. There's an EVGA on there, so we've got a bunch of cables. All the cables that it needs and stuff as well, which is pretty cool. All right.
It's happening.
We're gonna leave it in its box. Is this the right side? I'm gonna make sure it's the right side. Oh, look at the other side.
Oh.
we're gonna pull
Mini
that around.
twisties.
Check this out.
I'm gonna zoom in.
Ooh. Look at that.
Dun.
Oh my goodness. All right, so once again, this was a pretty big boy, a pretty big PC. I believe it's the, take a look at the case, I believe it's the Millennium case. But obviously this is a custom thing. They got Stormin in the back, which is very, very smooth. Then this Games and Games label is actually kind of like raised up a little bit. It has a little bit more of a matte thing on there. You can sort of feel it. So you got the Stormwind action, got the Games and Games action, which is amazing. And this thing does open up, which is pretty cool. So you can look at it inside. Now this is gonna be the back side, but it is nice to sort of see how much care they put into the cable management as well. So that's some pretty sweet stuff. And if I turn it around very carefully, we can actually look at another part of this, which is really, really sweet, but it's something that I also want to highlight because we're talking about how, you know, important these are and how amazing of a piece of equipment it is and how much they want to take care of this for you guys. So they are going to have a nice big protective foam pack in there to make sure that all your stuff that's inside of it is protected. So we're gonna go ahead and be real careful, take this thing out, and then show you what's inside. So if you guys saw the live build, live stream on the OriginPC Twitch channel, you guys would know everything that's gone inside of it. And you guys would also know why they decided to do this inverted design. And I'm pretty sure it's just because Origin just have a little bit of swag, man. Sometimes they just want to do stuff in a pretty cool, unique way, and they have got this thing hooked up. So just to give you guys a look, again, we'll read this stuff off. So the chassis is an OriginPC Millennium. The orientation is inverted, as you can see, it's upside down. The power supply is a Corsair HX85 OI. The CPU cooling is an Origin Frostbite 36mm. The motherboard is an Asus Maximus X Hero Wi-Fi MB. The processor is an Intel Core i7 8700K. But that, my friends, is no normal Intel i7 processor. That is the Intel Core i Plus with Intel Optane memory tech, which means that my standard storage drives become as fast as solid-state drives. So Intel has absolutely hooked up our Games and Gains PC in a big way, and I'm very grateful to have our Games and Gains PC be powered by Intel. The memory size is a 4 times 16 gigabyte equals 64 gigabytes total of Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR4 RAM, which is pretty crazy. And the graphics card is an 8 gigabyte GeForce GTX 1080. And then the HDD is a Corsair MP500. Then it's got two Seagate 500 gigabyte Barracuda storage drives, and it operates currently on Windows 10. So it's pretty awesome stuff. And the warranty is 1 year parts and 45-day shipping, which is pretty cool. So just in case anything ever did go wrong with your PC early on, or it shipped to you in a weird way, they've got your back. Now, I don't know if you guys saw this, but there's one last thing. Let me actually just
so cool looking.
Let me actually just put this here. It'll probably be inverted when you guys look at it.
Yeah, this is going to be backwards, but do you see it's like
laser
etched in there? So when he closes it, you'll be able to see his name when it's all lit up.
Yeah, so
which is gonna be really
I'm
cool.
really happy. This is an amazing machine. I can't wait to get this thing set up.
Let's see if we can.
Yeah.
It's so subtle. You can see us. Hey guys.
This arrived a little while
Hey.
ago. You guys saw on Twitter.
Check out the cat reflection.
And I've been very patient so we could actually unbox this thing together. But I cannot wait to get this thing set up and see how it games. But you know, once again, just tremendously huge shout outs to OriginPC, not only for, you know, full sponsorship, but also for once again cooking up an amazing PC, the best, you know, best I could ever hope for, better than I could have dreamed of, and I cannot wait to get down to the games and gains on this awesome new OriginPC. Alright guys, if you've watched this video and think that this particular PC looks like something that you would like to have in your own games and gains setup, then I definitely encourage you to click the link in the description of the video so you guys can take a look at the exclusive Bajheera PC, all the specs, everything that you got going on in there, including the Intel Core Plus technology with the unlocked Intel Core processors and everything else that we've got going as well, and customize your PC to your specifications as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace!